We'll guide you through how to unzip file in Telegram page. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they receive compressed files on Telegram web and do not know how to properly download and extract them on their computer. Some users are unfamiliar with zip files and browser downloads. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads. Once the browser is ready, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window. Next, type web.telegram.org into the address bar exactly as written, then press Enter on your keyboard to open the Telegram web page. When the website loads, click Login by phone number to begin accessing your account. Enter your phone number in the field provided, making sure you select the correct country code before typing the number. After entering your phone number, click Next to send a code to your phone number for verification. Wait until you receive the verification code on your phone, then enter your code in the field provided, and you will be automatically logged into your Telegram account. Once you are successfully logged in, click Search at the top of the Telegram web interface to find a specific contact. Then, type the contact containing the unzip file into the search bar carefully and wait for the result to appear. Once it appears in the search results, click on the contact to open the conversation. Click on the unzip file to download it to your computer. The unzip file will automatically download through your browser, and you can monitor the progress if needed. After the download is complete, click the download icon in the top right corner of Google Chrome to view your recent downloads. Next, click the folder icon on the unzip file you have downloaded to open its location on your computer. After that, right-click on the unzip file to open a list of options. Then, click Extract here from the menu to begin extracting the contents of the file. The unzip file will automatically open, and the extracted files will appear in the same folder, allowing you to access and use them as needed.